Hello again from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about another one of our stock hair products. This is the F27, the product code is Genesis. This is a really great product because it has a fine mono base and a PU perimeter. It also has a cutaway poly coating on the back, meaning you can make adjustments to the base however you see fit. So we'll have a look at the base now. This is fine mono, which is stronger and more durable than French lace. It also helps the system to maintain its structure and natural contour, which is a CC shape. The PU perimeter makes the system easy to attach, clean and maintain. The transparent poly that we can see right here at the front helps to enhance the realism of the system. There are double split knots on the top of the system and single split knots on the rest of the system. This means not only does the system look incredibly natural, but hair doesn't loosen or shed easily. The F27 has a medium density and has far more volume than other stock hair systems, but it isn't suitable for brushed back styles. The F27 has a hair length of 6 inches and comes in a wide variety of colours. The hair is a freestyle direction, meaning you can part it and style it in whatever way you would like. So this comes in our standard base size of 8 by 10 inches. We offer a pre-cut base service and styling service, meaning this could be ready to wear as soon as you receive it. As with all of our stock hair products, this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate shipping, meaning this could be with you in as little as 5 working days. If you're interested in the F27 stock hair system, then please feel free to visit our website at www.lordhair.com or drop us an email at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us at +86 532 80 82 8255.